Hey, it's Andrew with Mink Adventure. We got a new product we wanted to share with you. It's the Aerogogo GIGA Pump 4.0. So we're going to unbox this thing and see what we got going on here. First off, it's crazy small. Look how small this thing is. Very powerful. Like, you got inflation here, suction there. 2 levels of power, and what's cool about this is you got a little light, 3 different modes, really nice, and your USB charge port is right there. You've also got this to hang it from your tent for a little light at nighttime. And what's good about this, you get a little carrying case in here, but there are also 5 separate attachments. You can use them for pool toys, air mattresses, pillows, you name it. There's pretty much going to be an attachment in here for you. There's your charge cable. Okay, so here we have our pillow we take for backpacking. We're going to use this attachment here. It fits nice and snug. So, press fits in like so. Easy. Not bad. That beats, huffing and puffing after you've been hiking 10 miles in a day or whatnot. So we're going to try it on an air mattress too and see how it does on that. What's cool about this one, you don't even need an attachment. It fits right on there, nice and snug. Wrong end. There we go, like so. Very easy, nice and easy. I like that. So yeah, once again, that's the GIGA Pump 4.0 from Aerogogo. You can buy it on Amazon. Well worth the money.